We're continuing with solving gateway questions for Math 125. This time question number 52 out of the series 51 to 60, which involves exponential rule of derivative of e to the x and a to the x. And the function this time is f of x equal to e to the power x squared divided by e to the power x minus 1. My first suggestion is to use your exponential laws that you know from before to simplify that a little further. So this becomes 2 exponential divided by each other, and the base is the same. It becomes the base to power the first exponent minus the second exponent. By distributing that negative sign in, what we end up with is e to the power x squared minus x plus 1. Now taking derivative of that, what we end up with is this. Looking at the e to the power x squared minus x plus 1, there is an outer function and an inner function. The outer function is e to the power, and then inner function is x squared minus x plus 1. So outer is e to the power, inner is x squared minus x plus 1. Derivative of outer function, derivative of e to the x is itself. So, and the exponent unchanged. Then derivative of inner is derivative of x squared minus x plus 1. Derivative of x squared is 2x. Derivative of minus x is minus 1. Derivative of 1 is 0. And this is the final answer. No need to simplify. We already presented another method of taking derivative of f of x equal to e to the power x squared over e to the power x minus 1. Now we would like to give an alternative method. That would be without using the exponent laws and simplifying to one exponential. This time around, if I look at this, I see a quotient rule. So let's try to do the quotient rule. With quotient rule, I have to take the derivative of top, derivative of the numerator times the denominator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator. Then divided by the denominator to power 2. Derivative of the numerator, now let's replace by derivative of numerator here. Derivative of numerator is derivative of e to the power x squared. E to the power x squared is a composition function. The outer function is e to power, inner function is x squared. So the derivative is going to be the outer function with the inner unchanged times the derivative of inner, which is 2x. Here again, derivative of e to the power x minus 1 is a composition, and the outer is e to the power and inner is x minus 1. Derivative of the outer with inner unchanged time is the since e to the power is going to be e to the power again, this is going to show up. Then derivative of inner is derivative of x minus 1, which is 1. So f prime is going to be e to the power x times 2x times e to the power x minus 1 minus e to the power x squared times e to the power x minus 1 divided by e to the power x minus 1 to the power 2. The previous method is less complicated to plug into your gateway exam, and this one also is okay, and you can use this and no need to simplify.